a video on the TELESIN GoPro case. Now, the reason why I bought this case is not necessarily for my GoPro, but it's to hold my Rode SmartLav microphone. The Rode microphone comes with this, but I don't like this bag. I really don't like it. It's a nice bag, but I don't like it. Because I throw my stuff into a camera bag, I wanted something which is not like a nice hard case. And show you what I've got in here. As I said, I bought this for my mic, and as you can see, it holds the extension wire here, because it has a nice little pocket, net pocket, so it holds my extension wire here, and my Rode mic is here on its, take it out, on its I'd say clip, on its lapel clip there, so everything fits in here. So really, I'll take this stuff out really, because it's really for a GoPro. So I'll take my GoPro out here. Now I've taken everything out of this case just to show you. Now the GoPro fits in here without the case, without the frame, sorry. It will fit in there, so it's just enough room to fit the GoPro without the frame. And it closes down and there, so it's a nice small case for the GoPro. Now you will able to fit one battery in here. Now you can fit one battery in there, so I'll put this battery in there, which is also a TELESIN battery, and I've done a video on these TELESIN batteries, which are absolutely brilliant. They fit in, that fits in there. Now you can't fit two batteries in because of the hump of the camera here. It will clash against the lens here, so you can fit one battery in there, so you can bring one extra battery and it still closes up. So as I says, it's a nice little case from TELESIN, quite hard, very hard actually, and lined inside as well to hold your GoPro. But as I says, I bought mine literally, it's to hold the mic, it's to hold my lavalier mic into it. And what I'll do is I'll put the extension in there, which is a bit of a squeeze, but I'll put it in there. The extension in, and there's my mic with the on its clip. Okay, it's that deep, so it doesn't obstruct it. Yeah, close it up. There it is, and that's to hold my mic, lavalier mic, in there, so I can throw that in my camera bag. Now TELESIN do another case for your GoPro, which is this case here. Now I've also done a video on this one, and now this case is slightly bigger than that one, because this case is meant to hold your GoPro in its frame. Now this is a custom frame which you can buy off eBay or Amazon, and I've done a video on this particular frame, why I think this one is, to me, is better than the standard GoPro frame. One, it's thicker, as you can see, and two, you can take the doors off with this frame. But anyway, I've done a video on this frame, so if you look on my video YouTube channel, you'll see the video about this, the review about this frame. And this TELESIN case is built to hold your GoPro with the frame in. Now I won't go too much into it because I have done a video on my YouTube channel about this case, but this is another case TELESIN does. And this case, if you look on my YouTube channel, I go into why I bought this particular case as well. So as I says, the video, it was just about this case. Please do me a favor, please like and subscribe. Thank you.